To blur a part of a screenshot with mosaic using the screen write feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the screen you like to capture. Remove your S Pen. On the Air command menu, tap screen write to automatically take a screenshot. Tap the pencil icon and then select mosaic pen. Select the mosaic style you like to use to blur. If needed, you can adjust the pen thickness by dragging the pen thickness adjustment bar to the left to get a thinner pen, or drag it to the right to get a thicker pen. Close the pen setting. Now, draw the mosaic using your S Pen on the part of the screenshot you like to blur like this. Once done, you can directly share it to others by tapping the share icon and then select the desired share method, or you can tap the down arrow icon or save icon to save the image to the screenshot album on your gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.